The new SIMPSON predict liked XRP to $989. Over the past few months, XRP has significantly strengthened its position in the market. Despite the price drop, which was caused by the fall of the entire cryptocurrency market, XRP was able to cope with this and will regain its position in the near future. Apple's high-profile lawsuit against the SEC is also still ongoing, which also puts a spoke in the wheels. Welcome to the Rich Club channel. Do you think the analysts are right about XRP? Write the answers in the comments. Giving away 500 XRP at the end of the week. One random subscriber will receive XRP coins. Take a look at the instructions in the comments section. All you need to do is write the word XRP, watch the video to the end to like and subscribe. In one of the episodes of the cult animated series The Simpsons, an interesting inscription appeared that reads XRP will hit $989. This animated series often pre-predicted future events. For example, he predicted Donald Trump as a US president. The news is very interesting, so we need to figure out whether such an outcome of events is possible. Burger King's, the 18th episode of the 32nd season of the cult animated series, The Simpsons, shows the largest cryptocurrency with an infinite price. In addition to Bitcoin, the ticker news feed includes GameStop, GME, stocks adding 1 trillion and then immediately losing 2 trillion, which highlights the huge volatility of the stock. The most recent episode, which aired on Fox on April 11th, begins with Mr. Burns eating too many hamburgers and being on the verge of death. Then he came up with the idea of selling burgers made from exotic plants to prolong people's lives and make them love him again. His new company Excellent Burge hires Homer Simpson to shoot commercials. Meanwhile, Marge is speculating in company shares and other stocks to buy her husband a new pair of trousers. Against the background of the hamburger wars that followed, Mr. Burns was exposed. He made his burgers from endangered plants growing in the Amazon rainforest. Marge eventually sold her shares before she lost the money. Cryptocurrencies and blockchain also appeared in The Simpsons last February, when Jim Parsons of The Big Bang Theory offered a surprisingly detailed explanation of the new technology. The idea that Bitcoin can go to infinity is easily shared by industry leaders who are convinced that there is no top because the US dollar has no bottom. The tendency of The Simpsons writers to anticipate the future also plays into the hands of the bulls. Their crystal ball boasts many frightening predictions, from the presidency of Donald Trump to the financial crisis in Greece. There is a theory in the Ripple community that the price of the cryptocurrency should reach $589 by the end of this year. Such a sharp price jump divided investors into two camps. Some believe in the prophecy of the mysterious insider Bearable Guy 123, others consider it an ordinary fake. At one time, a certain Bearable Guy 123, who called himself an insider from the Ripple team, predicted a rise in the price of the coin to an unthinkable mark. According to him, the main reason for the growth will be the release of the Xrp update, which will help the project capture a large part of the international payments market. The rest of the details of the case were sorted out by SIMP Crypto. Why does Bearable Guy 123 trust anyone at all? Last year, Anonymous made some very accurate predictions about future deals between Ripple and large companies. All the insiders' forecasts turned out to be true. He even foresaw the growth of the cryptocurrency to $3.65 at the end of last year. The coin community often posts a picture symbolizing the dominance of XRP over Bitcoin and the dollar. Just below is the CEO of Ripple, Brad Garlinghouse, in the image of a knight, next to the Silent King and Bearable Guy 123 himself. On the right is the puppeteer's hand, which prompted many to the theory of the connection between Ripple and the Rothschilds. Will Ripple be able to grow to $589 at all, and what will be the capitalization of the coin at the same time? Many representatives of the Ripple community believe that the key factor in this issue will be the Xrp update. It will enable the project to process a huge stream of transactions per second. In fact, in the future, Ripple may become the main currency for cross-border payments. At the moment, the SWIFT global payment system processes approximately $4.7 trillion per day. If Xrp takes at least 1% of the market share, Ripple's trading volume will grow to $47.80 billion. In this case, The price of the cryptocurrency will rise to about $5.56, and 10% of the SWIFT market will raise the value of the coin to $55.60. Following this logic, even if Ripple completely replaced SWIFT, which is statistically impossible, the price of XRP would reach only $5.26. Ripple technical director David Schwartz has his own opinion about the new cryptocurrency price record. Everything depends only on our ambitions. What will happen if Ripple takes the current market share of Bitcoin? The coin will rise in price to $2. What if Ripple is massively used for international payments? Most likely, it will grow to $120. In any case, the probability of XRP rising to $589 is negligible even in the long term, let alone until the end of the year. The launch of Xrpid can move the Ripple up, but it is unlikely that the pump will be too noticeable. The billionaire founder of Galaxy Digital, Mike Novogratz, disrespects Litecoin on CNBC. Speaking with host Joe Kernan, the pair discussed the Fed's moves concerning the macro landscape going into 2022. On that note, Novogratz spoke of an amazing crypto adoption cycle, which he thinks will maintain the current price form. You're seeing this adoption cycle in such an accelerated way. There's been $30 billion of venture money coming in. His overall conclusion, as it relates to the asset prices against an uncertain macro landscape, is that assets can still do fine. However, when it comes to mainstream coverage of leading crypto assets, Novogratz said Litecoin doesn't warrant the exposure it gets. Transitioning into CNBC's crypto ticker board, which showed Bitcoin, Ether, Litecoin, XRP, and Doge, Kernan asked the former fund manager if he would make changes to the board. Novogratz responded by calling out Litecoin due to its lack of community engagement, while also referring to its poor technological innovation. It's strange to me that Litecoin shows up on anyone's, it's not something that people are engaged in, it's not a technology. When quizzed on what should be on the board in its place, Novogratz suggested Solana or Terra. The reason is that both these projects have strong community interest and are also coming out with innovative developments. The live XRP price today is $0.89 with a 24-hour trading volume of $2,337,000,000. We update our XRP to USD price in real time. XRP is down 3.35% in the last 24 hours. Do you think XRP can win the SEC? Write the answers in the comments. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel.